I wanna
We're working our upper body and core today. There's no equipment needed, but if you want to use dumbbells, go for it. If you're following the whole program, you can find a free day-by-day schedule on my website. And if you're looking for support, join the rest of the community on Discord and use my hashtags on Instagram and YouTube. Now, smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and let's get started. We've got 18 exercises today, 30 seconds on and 5 to 15 seconds off. We've got alternatives for low impact and weight as well. Let's start with push-up variation. Lower yourself down slowly from a high plank position and bring your elbows as close to your body as possible instead of flaring them out. Then push your hips back as you come back up for a stretch and repeat. If you can't do push-ups, give yourself time. Do it on your knees until you get stronger. The low impacts are here to help you as you progress. No breaks here, we've got corkscrew next. Do them nice and slow if you need to. Don't injure your shoulders and remember to engage your core so you don't lose your balance here. Alright, 10 seconds rest here. We're doing some reverse plank leg raise. Engage your core, tuck your butt in and try to not drop your butt down too much. Then raise your leg and do it slow and controlled. For low impact, you can do a reverse tabletop raise instead. Short rest and we're doing some reverse tabletop walks. Take one step to the right with both your arm and legs, then back to the other side. Just do reverse tabletop hold if that's more suitable. It's totally fine. Alright, great job everyone, you're doing well. Get into a high plank position and we're walking forward with our hands and then backwards and repeat. Make sure you're not swaying your butt side to side, do it slow and controlled and engage your core. Just do it on your knees if you have to. Alright, no rest here, we've got contra lateral next where we're in a low plank and raising an opposite arm and leg. If you want a bit of a challenge, you can do it with a dumbbell too. Alright, next we are doing a side plank reach. Do them on your knees for low impact, and you can also use a light dumbbell if you want it to be more challenging. Make sure your core is engaged and your butt is tucked in and engaged. Let's move on to the other side straight away. Get ready to get in a reverse tabletop position, and we're doing tricep deep reach next. We're going to do a reverse plank walk straight away, where you extend your feet and walk back in and then tap to the side. Remember to engage your core, your butt, and your legs. For low impact, just do without the tap. "15 seconds rest here." We are more than halfway through the workout, so great work. Take a longer break here if you want to. Next, we've got push-up row, another dumbbell-friendly exercise if you have them. I know some of you aren't fans of push-up because they can be hard when you start out, but don't give up. Just do the low impact and progress from there. You'll get there. No rest here, get in a low plank, and we're doing lateral plank walks. Keep your core and butt engaged, don't let it poke up or droop down too much. Alright, get flat on the mat for this one, but don't fall asleep. We've got swimmers. Make sure you're engaging that core, butt, and back. Go nice and slow as you lift your opposite hand and leg. We're going straight into mountain climbers. Keep pushing, guys. You can do it. Alright, there's low impact and weighted version for the next two. We're doing a side plank leg raise. For low impact, just have one knee bended for support. Make sure you're engaging your core as your hand and foot meet. Now let's flip to the other side straight away. Alright, great work guys. Final two exercises. We've got body soul next. Get in a low plank and we're rocking forward and back, engaging your core, focusing on your breathing and stay in good form. Last exercise, let's do a roll up followed by a crunch like you're cycling. Let's get this workout done. And that's the workout, guys. Great job with the workout. Keep pushing through. It's only a 14-day program. Leave a comment down below with how you're going, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!